Hello guys, welcome back to our channel once again. If you are new here, do your best to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified as soon as possible. If you're someone venturing into computer science, it's a very good career path you have taken. At the end, you're able to become a web developer, a programmer. You can develop your own application and work in a bigger companies like Google, Amazon, so on and so forth. So let's get straight into business. The last time we learned about Python strings and we answered some few questions under Python strings. So today I want to continue with Booleans in Python. So in Python language of coding or programming, Booleans help us to determine whether something is either true or false. So if you want to know whether something is true or false in Python, we use Booleans to do that. So we start with the true aspect, after which we go to the false, and after that we answer some few questions to test our understanding. So let's get straight to it. Booleans represent one of two values, which is true or false. Boolean values. In programming, you often need to know if an expression is true or false. You can evaluate any expression in Python and get one of two answers, which is true or false. So let's go to the true aspect and see how it goes. Now most values are true. Almost any value is evaluated to true if it has some sort of content. Any string is true except empty string. Any number is true except 0. Any list, tuple, set and dictionary are true except empty ones. Example is below here. We have bool A, B, C, and then 1, 2, 3, apple, cherry, banana, so on and so forth. So now let's check out the false aspect of Booleans. Some values are false. In fact, there are not any values that evaluate to false except empty values, such as the empty bracket, empty square bracket, empty curly bracket, and then empty quotation marks, the number 0 and the value 9. And of course, the value false evaluate to false, which we have examples below here which represent all we have said in above here. Now, one more value or object in case evaluate to false, and that is if you have an object that is made of from a class with a len function that returns 0 or false. Now, functions can return a boolean. You can create a function that returns a boolean value, which we have example down below here. So let's get some few questions to test our understanding of what we've learned just right now. So let's try to see how we can answer some few questions under this. Now let's take this example and see how it goes. It said the statement below would print a boolean value. Which one? So they say 10 is greater than 9. So which answer will you give from when you look at this statement here? Is it true that 10 is greater than 9? If it's true, you write there true. If it's false, you write false. So let's answer this question. But remember, if you are answering, we start with a capital letter in Boolean to write the true or false. So this is right. The next question is the statement below will print a boolean value. Which one? 10 is equal to 9. Is it true? It's false. Clearly 10 is not equal to 9. So we submit this one too. The next question says what? The statement below will print a boolean value. Which one? 10 is less than 9, which is not also true. Write there false, starting with a capital letter. Let's see the next question. The statement below will print a boolean value. Which one? We have a bool and then a string, so we can use bools and strings as we've learned in the above examples. So this is clearly a true answer. Let's see the final question for today. The statement below will print a boolean value. Which one? You know, we've learned that anything which is 0 or none or empty is false in Boolean Python language. So here clearly is false. So these are the few questions I want you to practice to test your understanding. So I know if you've learned something. So this is where we'll be ending our tutorial for today. If you have any questions to ask, you can send down in the comment section so that we can help you to clarify your mind with anything you have difficulties with. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope you've learned something. Please give us a thumbs up, like the video and share and subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel. And I'm hoping to see you in the next video. Thank you for staying tuned. Love you.